The riots in Kazakhstan are the most high-profile event of 2022. Despite a legal ban and mass unrest, virtual casinos and bookmakers are flourishing. In this video, 3SNet explains how to provide traffic on gambling and betting for Kazakhstan and earn maximum profits. Kazakhstan has the largest number of gamblers in Asia. With a license, betting shops can accept online bets, but online casinos are banned, although their websites are hardly ever blocked. Due to this, informal gambling business is actively developing in Kazakhstan. How to make sense of it all, to get even more profits? 3SNet will help you with this task. Especially for you, we have collected useful material on how to effectively drive traffic and work with the gambling markets of different countries. Planning to enter Kazakhstan market? Now it is high time. Let us take a closer look at the country and understand what is it all about. Well, let's go. Regulation of gambling and betting in Kazakhstan. Casinos, bookmakers' offices, slot machines and sweepstakes are allowed in the republic, but only in 2 gaming zones. Online casino is under restriction. Online sports betting, on the other hand, is legal throughout the country. How much can you earn from gambling in Kazakhstan? The gambling industry has developed together with the informal sector by 18 times during 1 year. The total amount of income reaches 278 billion tenge, and this is just the beginning. Now is the right time to get started with this GEO. Now let's go to features of betting in Kazakhstan. With a license, bookmakers can operate online throughout the country. The cost of getting a license in 2022 for casino and arcade is around €24,000 or $27,000. For betting and bookmakers shop around €39.70 or $4,500. Another specific feature is that the sites must be located in the domain zone of Kazakhstan. Now we will tell you to attract audience to casino and betting sites. People in Kazakhstan speak both Russian and Kazakh. The audience of players consists of men from 25 years old, often interested in sports, and with a stable income. There are already around 100,000 registered players. If you know where to find such an audience, we are waiting for you in 3SNet CPA network. You can find the link sign up below in the video description. Are casino and betting sites being blocked in Kazakhstan? As of the beginning of 2022, there is no target blocking system for websites in Kazakhstan. That is why the industry is actively developing and nothing is hindering it. The latest news of 2022 and prospects of betting and casino development in Kazakhstan are as follows. According to experts, the popularity of online casinos and bookmakers will only grow. Therefore, if you start now, you'll get the best and take a niche in this GEO. So, we have discussed the most important features of buying gambling and betting traffic for Kazakhstan. Please do not spare likes for this video, subscribe to our channel, and check other articles in our blog. All the links for the articles and signing up for 3SNet you will find below in the description of the video and our channel. A lot of new videos and articles from 3SNet about the affiliate industry, regulation of the betting market, online casinos, working schemes and case studies are waiting for you ahead. We've already collected a lot of case studies, schemes and analytics on GEO such as Ukraine, Belarus, Germany, USA, Australia and many others on our website. You can find those via tag reviews. Subscribe, study and be among the first to know. It is extremely important to drive traffic always without losses.